goodbye to your broom and dustpan with the Bissell PowerEdge Pet Hard Floor Vacuum. You know how pet messes can end up: along baseboards, around the litter box, and especially around food bowls. With the Bissell PowerEdge Pet Hard Floor Vacuum, you can vacuum along edges and corners where pet hair, food, and litter tend to collect, without any of the usual frustration. Some stick vacuums aren't designed to, or lack the power to pick up large bits of debris, and they don't clean all the way to the edge. But the innovative suction technology of the PowerEdge Pet funnels large debris into the powerful central suction path, while the ends of the V capture dirt along the edges. Rubber-like material on the bottom of the foot attracts pet hair, and powerful suction prevents it from escaping into other areas around the house. It's lightweight, versatile, and easy to use. Best of all, it is ready to go whenever you need it, helping to keep your home in order. So if you're fond of pets, but not of the cleanup, the Bissell PowerEdge Pet Hard Floor Vacuum has you covered, edge to edge. Bissell, we mean clean.
I just leave the vacuum out so I can keep up with them.
My cleaning day? It should be every day.
What? I'm saving it for later.
With its long-lasting lithium-ion battery, the Hoover Lynx cordless stick vac helps you keep up with the messes as they happen, wherever they happen. And it's the only cordless stick vac with patented wind tunnel technology. The Lynx cordless stick vac from Hoover.
Dyson V6 vacuums are powered by the Dyson Digital Motor V6. The small, light motor sits at the heart of the machine. It has been developed specifically by Dyson to deliver powerful suction. The machine's core components are located around the hand. Combined with a lightweight aluminium wand, it's lightweight and balanced for floor-to-ceiling cleaning. Dyson V6 Absolute has a direct drive cleaner head. It has 150% more brush bar power than the Dyson V6 vacuum to drive bristles deep into carpet, removing more dirt. The hard floor cleaner head removes fine dust and debris from hard floors. A post-motor filter captures particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring the air expelled is cleaner than the air you breathe. Two-tier radial cyclones generate high centrifugal forces, flinging particles of dust and dirt out of the air and into the bin. Dyson V6 vacuums quickly and easily convert to a handheld, with Dyson engineered tools for all-round cleaning. The docking station stores and charges the machine, so it's always ready for use.